Good morning, friends. Today's topic for elaboration is trust is like a glass. Once broken, it will never be the same again. I repeat the thought trust is like a glass. Once broken, it will never be the same again. Well, friends, there is no denying fact that trust is just like a glass. Once it is broken, it will never be the same again. So we should always try to sustain, trust of someone. I mean to say that if someone trusts you, never betray his trust, because the person who trusts you, considers you next to God and relies on you. He understands that you will always be with him and you will always abide by the thought and action that you promise to the person. For instance, if your teacher trusts you, you are a student, if your teacher trusts you, never betray his trust, because once you betray the trust of your teacher, you will never be able to learn anything. Most of the disciples of the great gurus, they have always sacrificed themselves and their interest and their choices for the sake of the trust of their gurus. Had it not been so, then Karan would not have sacrificed his thumb for his guru. And that has been the real example that once you sustain the trust of everybody or anybody, you are next to God. There are examples of the people in this, I mean, materialistic, age, that they often, cry or regret trusting anybody. Why do they cry and why do they regret on trusting somebody? Because often trust becomes mistrust. They are not able to judge the person whom they have entrusted upon, and therefore their trust is always broken like a glass. And you understand, once the glass is broken, can it be the same again? Never. It will never be the same again. This is true in our real life also. We often trust people believing that there are certain, I mean, people in this world whom we can trust. For instance, our parents, our relatives, our friends, our teachers, our mentors, they are to be trusted. So, in the similar manner, if they are to be trusted, they should never betray the trust of their children, their relatives. There have been a number of cases where, you know, trust have been misjudged, trust have been, betrayed, and as a result, relations have been broken. For instance, when in newly, in trend to the class, he or she believes that the colleagues that he or she is going to sit with, they are reliable, they are trustworthy, and therefore they share their thoughts and they interact with them. And sometimes what happens, that the same trust becomes a mistrust and the person gets hurt. So once you are betrayed by someone, your trust is gone. Just like the glass which is broken, it will never be the same. So in order to maintain the relation, the sanctity of the relationship, the sanctity of the humanism, the sanctity of the and the beauty of the relationship lies in sustaining the trust. For that, we should never consider any materialistic gain. We should try to sacrifice all materialistic gain to sustain the trust of someone, because the person who trusts you, considers you next to God. Therefore, friends, never betray the trust of your friends, your parents, your relatives, your teachers, and whoever trusts you, because the person who trusts you is always relying on you in toto, and therefore always try to come, you know or always try to prove the trust, always try to prove yourself that you are worthy of trust. Once you prove that, you will become next to God. And therefore, friends, this is truth rather, that once a glass is broken, it will never be the same. Once the trust is betrayed, the relationship will never be maintained again. It cannot be retrieved. Once the relationship is lost in trust, definitely it will never be the same again. And this is true in every family. Therefore, in order to run a family, in order to run a society, in order to run an organization, it is very important that all the members of that organization, all the members of the family should try to come true to the trust of the guardian, to the trust of the custodian. Then only the family will run. Otherwise, then only the organization will run. Then only the nation will run. For example, the soldiers who have been fighting and the people who have been responsible for the strategic, secrets of the country, the defense secrets of the country, they should never betray the trust of the nation. If they reveal any secret regarding the strategic appliances, strategic planning of the defense assets to the enemies, the nation will suffer, the society will suffer, the individual will suffer. In this similar manner, if we lose the trust of our beloved ones, we will suffer, rather the family will suffer, and the relationship will suffer, and it will never be retrieved again, it will never be retained again. Just like the glass which is broken once will never be the same again. Thank you, friends. I'm sure my thoughts and ideas will be applicable in our day-to-day life. Thanks a lot. Thanks.